Hey guys, I got asked this week to do an appraisal on a home that's probably halfway through its renovation. I wanted to let you guys know why it can be so fruitful having that conversation with whoever's going to be selling your home halfway through or at any stage through the renovation. And it's about pivoting. So she bought the house probably 13 months ago. And that's not really a long time in our lifetime, but it is in real estate. There's a lot that's come onto the market. There's a lot of new trends out there, better appliances, different floor coverings, things like that. So it's about catching on to trends so it becomes more saleable and you can get a better price when it comes to selling your renovation, within 6 months, 12 months, whatever it's going to be down the track. So if you can work in the new floor coverings into your plan, it's very fruitful to have that conversation halfway through so you're not replacing them at the end to get a better sale price. And I know that's a huge, I suppose, mistake or a huge change to make right at the end. But if you were to make little changes along the way to catch up with trends, it's always going to help with you staying relevant and always having the right product for the right market. So hopefully this was helpful. I'll talk to you soon.